Welcome back to ConversationWay, and today we've got a new car, a new video. As you know full well that in my last video was about Golf. The Golf's now gone and there's a replacement, and I'll show you exactly what that is right now. So we have a 2006 plate Range Rover Sport. It's 2.7 diesel TDV6. Sporting some very characteristic weird things that the previous owner has done, like putting Gorilla Glue on the back of the car for a badge, which is not really ideal. There's about 3 ton of brake dust all over the car, as you can see, so that'll be fun to get off. Wheels, well, I started sanding them a little bit last night. They're just awful. Bumpers, I don't think they're original because I think they're fiberglass, so they look a bit aftermarket. Lights are all good on it. The wheels that are on it, 20-inch wheels, as you can see, they're in amazing condition. They need new wheel nuts and refurbing. Also the front needs refurbing as well. Moving on to the front, bumper's out of alignment, but I think that's because it's had some dirty crack in it, so I don't know what's happened there or how that's happened, but it looks to me like that's fiberglass and that's probably fillered, and it's probably an attachment for a lower splitter or something. No idea. Needs fixing or replacing. Range Rover badging also needs fixing and replacing because it's just horrible. Going along the other side, bumper again needs aligning. As you can see, I've had a little go over it, sanding that wheel down because it's just thick baked on brake dust. Needs new side vents. Needs the biggest clean of its life and a paint touch up because this car originally is not white, it was black. I have one of those already to put on. But you may think, well, there's a lot of work to do on the outside of this, it doesn't look very good, but you see the inside. This is where the car does get good. Now this is where the money's been spent, and it looks spent as well. So as you can see, it's all red and black diamond stitched inside the doors as well, which is really, really nice. The inside is really clean. I have given it a quick hoover. But this car used to belong to a football player. I'm not sure who, but I think who I think it is, I'm going to put up on the screen now. But they used to play for Fenerbahce. So whoever that may be, but yeah, it looks absolutely mint inside. Headliner could do with going black, because no idea why they've done the rest of the car and they didn't bother doing the headliner because it just looks out of place. But that's that. But yeah, car's good, runs great, needs a few minor things doing to it mechanically, just to bleed on the brakes, but everything else seems to be all right and working all right. So that's the video showing you the Range Rover. There's going to be plenty of videos on this, as you can imagine. It needs a lot of work doing to it, but there's going to be a lot of videos on it. The next job on it is to clean it, see what it comes up like, and then go from there, order some bits for it and tidy it up and see what happens with it. But yeah, if you've liked this video, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.